If you're seeing a Steam error message, connection issue, server unavailable notice, or an update failure, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get Steam working again as quickly as possible. These methods are simple, safe, and they solve most of the everyday Steam problems people run into on Windows. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should always do is restart both your computer and Steam. A full restart can clear temporary bugs, apply pending updates, and fix small glitches that cause Steam to stop responding properly. After your PC comes back on, open Steam again and check whether the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to verify your game files. This is one of the best fixes for issues like missing executable errors, corrupted files, or broken update downloads. To do this, open your Steam library, right-click the game that is causing the issue, select Properties, then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and replace anything that is missing or damaged. This can take a few minutes, so let it finish before testing the game again. Another very useful fix is clearing the Steam download cache. Sometimes Steam stores old or corrupted download data that causes update failures, connection problems, or downloads that keep stopping. To clear it, go to Steam Settings, then open Downloads and choose Clear Download Cache. Steam will ask you to sign in again after this, which is completely normal. Once you log back in, try launching your game or downloading the update again. If Steam still isn't working, try running it as an administrator. This can help when Steam does not have enough permission to write files, install updates, or access certain folders. To do this, right-click the Steam shortcut, choose Properties, open the Compatibility tab, and enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK, and reopen Steam. This simple change can fix a lot of update and permission-related errors. Now let's talk about server and connection issues. If Steam says the server is unavailable or you can't connect to the network, the issue may not be on your computer at all. First, check whether your internet connection is working by opening a few websites or streaming a video. If your connection seems unstable, restart your router and modem, then try again. You should also make sure Steam is allowed through Windows Firewall, because Firewall settings can sometimes block Steam from connecting properly. If needed, allow Steam through your security settings and then relaunch the app. It's also a good idea to check Steam's server status. Sometimes Steam is having a temporary outage, maintenance, or service disruption. You can confirm this by visiting steamstat.us and checking whether the servers are currently down. If the servers are offline, there may be nothing wrong with your computer, and you may just need to wait until Steam restores service. If you're getting a disk write or disk read error, that usually points to a storage problem. First, make sure you have enough free space on your hard drive or SSD. If your drive is almost full, Steam may not be able to complete an update or install a game properly. If storage space is fine, go into Steam Settings, open the Storage or Download section, and repair the library folder if that option is available. This can fix folder permission issues and help Steam access your game files correctly. For purchase errors, the cause is often different. If Steam is rejecting a payment or showing checkout problems, the issue may be a billing address mismatch, a bank hold, or a limitation with prepaid cards. Double-check your payment details, make sure your billing information matches what your bank has on file, and if possible, try another payment method. If the issue continues, your bank or card provider may need to approve the transaction. If you've gone through all of these steps, you've already covered the most common Steam error fixes. In most cases, one of these methods will solve the problem without needing anything more advanced. The key is to start with the simplest fixes first, then move into the connection, file, and permission checks if needed. If this video helped you fix your Steam error message, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.